wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Apple Watch bands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Pantheon Stripe is a sporty nylon offering you can use to complement a laid-back wardrobe or dress down your business casual attire. It's safe for the shower and the pool. It's reliably fade-resistant and warranted for 18 months. However, the buckle is a bit cheap. At number 9, the tobfit replacement is a pack of 4 flexible silicone bands, each in a different color, so you can swap them out depending on your mood or wardrobe. They're designed to feel soft against the skin and dry quickly, making them ideal for workouts. They come with straightforward pin and tuck buckles, and you can choose from several color combinations, but they do need to be washed often. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the seinit rainbow changes color depending on how the light's hitting it, making it an eye-catching choice. It also comes in more traditional options like silver, black and rose gold, so there should be one to suit anybody's taste. It feels substantial and fits Nike and Hermes editions. However, the finish scratches easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Apple Watch bands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you like a little flash from your accessories, the secbolt diamond bling delivers, with rhinestones set in stainless steel. You can choose from a variety of finishes, and it looks good enough to wear to work, formal events, or out on a date. It can be adjusted without tools and is designed for 6 to 8 inch wrists, but some find it a bit heavy. Moving up our list to number 6. The fullmosa calf comes in nearly a dozen solid colors and is lightly textured to give it a bit of character. It's equipped with a simple C-shaped clasp that's easy to fasten. It's good value for the price and features high-quality craftsmanship. However, it does need to be broken in. Halfway up our list at number 5. Offered in a handful of designs that contrast stainless steel with either resin or genuine wood, the iiteology Link comes with a link removal tool for size adjustments. It's equipped with a sturdy metal butterfly clasp and includes a useful instruction manual. This one's a good option for big wrists. At number 4, lightweight and vibrant, the Lighthouse Fashion Resin is a good choice for those with skin allergies. It's highly polished so it doesn't irritate the wrist and is relatively water resistant, so you don't have to worry about perspiration while wearing it. It matches the rose gold watch perfectly, and there are choices for men and women. It's surprisingly durable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're looking for something that might pair well with faded jeans and a vintage t-shirt, the sarac leather cuff is a good option. It's made of full-grain leather and comes in a rich tan color with contrasting cream stitching. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Apple Watch bands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the carterjett CJ2 is as close as you're going to get to a NATO strap for an iWatch. It features durable steel in both the buckle and adapters, ensuring you can pop your device on and off without it wearing out. There are lots of color choices, and none of them are stiff or scratchy. It's comfortable for extended periods. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the speidel Twisto Flex boasts a clever construction that stretches, making it easy to put on and take off, and capable of accommodating many wrist sizes. The hard-wearing stainless steel sports a timeless silver finish that complements business and casual attire. It doesn't pinch skin or hair, and there's no buckle to deal with. It should last for years. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Apple Watch bands, or simply click beneath this video.